Hello children, welcome back to the online maths class at BMS School at Home. Children, in the last class we learned the addition word problem, isn't it? Children, in today's class we are going to learn about the strategies for addition, okay? So, in this section we will learn some useful strategies for adding numbers, okay? They are adding a number to itself, that means doubles, and addition by making 10, okay? Now let us see some examples related to this. Strategies for addition, okay? So children, in this section we are going to learn some useful strategies for adding numbers, okay? So the first technique is adding a number itself, okay? That is doubles. And the second technique is adding by making 10, okay? So first we are going to learn about the adding a number itself, that means the double of the number, okay? So children, first, what is the double of 1? What is the double of 1, ma? Yes, you have to add the same number, that means 1 plus 1, which gives 2, okay? Then what is the double of 2? You can add the same number, 2 plus 2, which gives us 4, okay? And what is double of 3? Add the same number, 3 plus 3, 6. And double of 4 means 4 plus 4, 8, okay? And double of 5 means you have to add the same number, okay? 5 plus 5, 10, okay? Then next, the double of 6 means 6 plus 6, 12. Double of 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Double of 8, 8 plus 8, 16. Then double of 9, 9 plus 9, 18. And double of 10 means 10 plus 10, which gives us 20, okay? So children, once we know the double from 0 to 10, it gets very easy to add a number to itself, okay? So double means add a number to itself, okay? So let us look at some examples related to this, okay? So the first question, double of 21, okay? So double of 21 means, yes, 21 plus 21, okay? Add a number to itself, add the same number to itself, okay ma? So now we have to find how many ones and how many tens are there in the number 21, okay? So in the 21, how many tens? Yes, 2 tens and 1 ones, okay? So again, this number 21, 2 tens plus 1 ones, okay? Now, how many tens are there, ma? Yes, add these 2 tens and 2 tens, which gives us 4 tens, plus then add this 1 plus 1, 2, okay? 2 ones, okay? So if you are adding 2 tens and 2 tens, we can get 4 tens, and if you are adding 1 ones and 1 ones, we can get 2 ones, okay? So 4 tens and 2 ones, that means 42, okay? So the double of 21 is 42, okay children? Let's look at one more example. double of 26. Okay, so 26, double of 26 means you have to add the same number itself. Okay, 26 plus 26. Okay, now we are going to expand the number 26. Okay, so it has 2 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, again you can write 26, 2 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers. Okay ma, so 2 tens plus 2 tens, 2 plus 2 which gives us 4 tens, then 6 ones plus 6 ones which gives us 12, isn't it? 12 ones. So children, in 12 ones you can split the 12 ones like this: 1 10 plus 2 ones. Okay, 1 tens plus 2 ones. So now you can write 4 tens plus 1 10 plus 2 ones. Okay, so 4 tens plus 1 10 which gives us 5 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, so which gives us 52. Okay, so children, the double of 26 is 52. Okay, now let's do one more example ma. 19, double of 19. Okay, so double of 19 means, yes, you have to add the same number once again, 19 plus 19. Okay, now you have to expand 19. Okay, so in this 19, how many ones and how many tens? Yes, 1 10 and 9 ones. Okay, again you can write the expanded form for the same number, that is 1 10 plus 9 ones. Okay, so children, 110 plus 110 means, add these two numbers you can get, yes, 2 tens plus 9 ones plus 9 ones we can get 18 ones. Okay, so this is also 2-digit number, so we can split this like 2 tens plus 1 10 plus 8 ones. Okay, again you can split this as 110 plus 8 ones. Okay, so 2 tens plus 110 gives us 3 tens plus 8 ones. Okay, so the number is 38. That means 3 tens and 8 ones. So the double of the number 19 is 38. Okay children? Children, the next topic is adding by making 10. Okay? Children, we know that 0, 10, 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6 and 5, 5 are the pairs of numbers which add up to 10. Okay, now you can add these two numbers. 0 plus 10 means 10. Okay, So 1 plus 9 means 10. 2 plus 8 also 10. 3 plus 7 also 10. 4 plus 6 10 and 5 plus 5 also 10. Okay children? So children, we know that these all are the pairs of numbers which add up to 10. Okay? So whenever we have to add two or more numbers, we can check to see whether the digits in the ones place pair up to make 10. Okay, so children, please remember this. Whenever we have to add two or more numbers, we can check to see whether the digit in the ones place pair up to make a 10. This will make the addition faster. Okay, ma? So let's look at some examples related to this. So the first question, add 26 plus 4. Okay. Now children, the digits 6 and 4 in the ones place, isn't it? Here the 4 is in the ones place and here the 6 is in the ones place. So we will first write, okay, in the ones place add to make 10. Okay, so we will first write 26 as 20 plus 6 and then add. Okay, so 26 plus 4, that means first you have to split the 26, that means expand 26 as 20 plus 6 plus 4. Now children, this 6 plus 4 which gives us 10, isn't it? So 20 plus 10, the answer is 30. Okay, so if you are pair up 10, you can make the addition faster. Okay, so once again, whenever we have to add two or more number, we can check to see whether the digit in the ones place, okay, pair up to make it 10. If they are making it 10, this will make the addition faster. Okay, so now let's look at next question. 38 plus 42. Okay, now children, you have to expand these two numbers. Okay, check their ones place. 38, the ones place value is 8 and in the 42 the ones place value is 2. Okay, so 8 plus 2 which gives us 10, isn't it? So you have to expand these two numbers first. Okay, so for 38 you can expand like this, 30 plus 8, and 42 you can expand 40 plus 2 like this. Okay, now you have to rearrange these numbers. Okay, like this, 30 plus 40 plus 8 plus 2 to make a 10. Okay, now you have to add 40 plus 30 which gives us 70, and first you have to add these two numbers, then next you have to add these two numbers. Okay, so 8 plus 2 which gives us 10. Okay, so now you have to add these two numbers, 70 plus 10 which gives us 80. Okay children, so the 32, the 38 plus 42 which gives us 80. Okay, now let's see another example. Add 12 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, so children, here check the ones place value. For this number, the ones place value is 8, and this number, the ones place value is 7, and this number, the ones place value is 2. Okay, so first you have to add these two numbers, 7 plus 2, which gives us 9. This is not a pair of 10. So again you have to check 2 plus 8. Yeah, it gives us 10. Okay, so you have to rearrange the numbers and then add. Okay, ma? Like this. 12 plus 7 plus 8. First you have to write 12 plus 8 plus 7. Okay. And next you have to expand the number 12, that is 10 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7. Okay. Then next you have to add these two numbers, 10 plus 10 plus 7. Okay. Then next you have to add these two numbers, that is 10 plus 10, which gives us 20, plus this remaining number 7. Then at the last we can get the answer 27. Okay, ma? So the number 12 plus 7 plus 8, which gives us 27. Okay, so children, in case the digits in the ones place do not add to 10. Okay, if the digits in the ones place do not add to 10, we can split any one of the number in such a way that we get 10. Okay, so children, remember this. In case the digit in the ones place do not add to 10, we can split any one of the number in such a way that we get a 10. Okay, so for that we can see one more example related to that. Okay, add 7 plus 8. Okay, so you can split either 7 or 8 to make 10. Okay, ma? So children, first you have to split the number 7 like 5 plus 2, and then you have to add this 2 to 8, so we can get 10. The next you can add these two numbers 10 and 5, so we can get the answer 15. Okay, so you can either split the number 9 or you can split the number 8. Okay, now let us check with to split the number 8. Okay, so 7 plus 8, 7 plus, now split the number 8 like 5 plus 3. Okay, children. Now children, we have to rearrange these numbers, 7 plus 3 plus 5, because the 7 plus 3 which gives us 10. Okay, so 7 plus 3 which gives us 10, and you have to add 5 to this 10, so we can get the answer 15. So both the answers are correct. So if you want to make your addition faster, you can split either this number or this number to make a 10 and add the remaining numbers to get the answer. Okay, children? Okay, children, in today's class we learned adding a number itself, that is double of number, and next adding by making 10. Okay, so double the number means you have to add a number itself. Okay, and addition by making 10 means, yes, if you are adding two or more numbers we can check to see whether the digit in the ones place pair up to make it 10. Okay, so this will make addition faster. Okay, children. So this is the end of today's class, ma. Bye and happy learning.